Look at these idiots pulling up in their Altima. Big Altima race coming up.
Altima 600.
Actually, just
A lot of Altimas.
So this was Mr. Nismo's car, as it says. It still has his name on the back.
Really?
Yeah. This was actually a custom made for Mr. Nismo himself.
Wow.
That's why it's so much shorter and lower than the other ones.
If you guys didn't know, we're racing 60 Altimas at the Freedom Factory coming up here. February 22nd. You can come to the Freedom Factory or watch on freedomplus.com. And there's Danger Ranger that night too. So I'll beat you twice.
I'll be racing both of them.
That's crazy. Well, this is perfect timing because I've been meaning to get my Altima out.
Oh, you have an Altima. So you're telling me I didn't
Right over here behind my limo. I have an Altima SER, brother.
Yeah, well.
V6.
They're all right. That's a full four-door, huh? These things are heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. It's heavy. Pull yours over here. I need a jump start though.
Oh, okay.
ours is
We got a battery.
Ours is two-door, no big deal.
Yeah, yours might be a little bit more sleek.
Hey, we'll have them pull on the grass and we'll just hook it to our battery.
But just check this out.
No doubt about it. It'll be
we don't
broken
even
before
know
we-
where-
Dang, yeah, pull around into the grass, please. Yeah, just pull around.
Wait, you guys got a battery on it.
Yeah, we do. We just wanted you to pull around.
I'm not that dumb.
Here, Jack, stand.
You pulled over here.
Oh.
Hey, it's been sitting for months. That's fine.
Little lifter down. Mine's stick shift.
Oh, it
Dude,
is.
Come on, this is an
Easy.
SER. Did he just hit it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you definitely did.
That piece of junk, dude.
His looks too clean, actually, dude. I think his car looks too clean.
Oh gosh, this could end. It just
Look at our
spit a
brakes.
bunch of leaves out of it.
So I got the 3.5 liter SER.
It's the big
Far
dog.
superior to what he has. What engine do you have?
So, I shouldn't tell you guys this, but I'm going to. So I did some research on the Nissan Altimas. Yours is 245 horsepower.
Oh, yeah.
That's a 2008. Set next generation, 270 horsepower.
Shut up. No, it's not.
It is. So I don't know who told you to get
There's
this.
no
piece
way
of
it's got more
junk.
power than an R. Plus, I got a manual transmission.
I do too.
You do?
It's a 6-speed manual.
A 6-speed. Wow.
I mean, dude, I don't know what you were thinking. I didn't come to play, but I came
We
to
have
win.
a drag race?
Absolutely.
Where can we
I
do
can
it?
tell you
Right there.
I can tell you this, I'm a Nissan guy. The SDRs have a close ratio of 6-speed. His is spread out. This has like a longer spread than the double overhead.
Oh,
We
you're
have a
done.
close ratio of 6-speed.
I don't even know what that
Used
means.
to be a big Altima guy.
But,
Like,
Oh, yeah.
But Mr. Nismo, that was his car. Because it's got his name on the back.
Mr. Nismo, huh? Okay.
Meet me at the front gate.
See there, bud.
Jump in, guys.
I'm getting in.
Jump in, everyone.
I don't need power steering to go straight.
Oh, the AC blows. Oh!
No way. Dang, dude, this is a nice freaking Altima.
I paid good money to get the R. It better be worth it.
This is way better than my Altima
This thing is
was.
a race
The OP is killer.
AC is cold. Dude, it's got 80 pounds of oil pressure. Full tank again.
Whoa!
It's actually not bad.
Okay. Wow.
Fast.
It's actually not bad at all.
Forward.
There's no
being
way.
5 deep right now, irking the tires.
Yeah.
How many people do you think you'll have an SER that are going to show up?
I don't
know
know.
if there's that many people willing to spend that kind of
How much
money.
was this thing?
I think I paid $5,000 for it.
Dang. For an Altima?
You gotta pay to play.
I don't remember. It was months ago because remember the original Altima race
Yeah.
got canceled.
Yeah, because the hurricane. or
I believe I paid $5,000. Shoot!
Dang.
That 1-2
Mark tire?
hits. Wow.
Dude, this is a
This
good
is
hot
impressive.
rod.
Marking the tires, dude. 5 deep.
Cut your exhaust
Barking
off.
them things. Is there a traction control button?
It's not looking like it.
There's gotta be.
There has
Look
to be.
down underneath the AC.
I mean, it's kind of letting them bark. though. It
Tuning
doesn't-
cable.
Doesn't seem to be resisting the bark. So maybe.
Yeah.
Put
Put
your
your
see
parking
if it
brake
does a
on,
good
dude.
burnout.
Parking brake it. Oh!
Oh, dude! I don't think it's got
Nice.
traction control.
No.
This is the epitome of what an Altima is about. You ride
Yeah.
deep, every spot full,
Yep.
without the bumper cover, and
Yes.
you're doing it right.
Just
All right.
the hardest kind of traction control.
We're pulling up for a little Freedom Factory entrance road drag race. I need you guys to hop out. I need to get
Yeah,
the
we
weight
gotta
out
save
of it.
some weight out of this thing. Oh,
Hey, I'm gonna go drop them off for a finish line cam.
Okay, where are we starting? Down here?
We're gonna start right here. Just stay right here.
He stalled it.
already passed it.
Oh, strong handbrake too.
Hard
I
parked
need one of
Altima.
these.
Strong
I think I
handbrake.
just
Stronger
figured out
than the
what a
rear
mind
cradle
brake
sounds
is.
like.
You think I can handbrake slide this right next to them?
Probably save it. Probably save it.
You think? Because I feel like I
There's
can
the pole
probably
on the left. Don't forget. Clean.
This is what you need for a hard
What's up,
park.
loser?
I didn't know you were gonna do that.
Where's the finish line?
We got enough horsepower. The finish line is the.
To see how we're flagging this thing here.
Oh, I'm gonna move over, James. Are you gonna stay on the side? Are you gonna risk it and stand in the middle? All right, you just jump out because
Yeah,
if
good
they're
idea.
going full weight reduction,
Exactly.
James, maybe you should stand on the side.
I got enough room.
Alcantara. Nice.
Stand over here. Can you both see me over here?
Oh! Not even close. Not even close. Was it a jump? That's true.
Oh, missed gear.
Oh!
Should have bought that R.
Idiot, dude! Coming on my property, trying to race me. Woo! Mine pulls, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, it's wheel hopping bad.
You got some wheel hop on your e-brake.
Yeah, the e-brakes, I've never had wheel hop e-brake syndrome before. That's
You knocked
story.
our pole a little crooked. Give her
All
a
right, I
little,
got it.
give her a little push, James.
I did. I got packing the dirt back in.
Wheel hopping so bad, didn't really rotate.
Come on, man.
Oh, we got to. That's 3 out of 12. We just smelled it.
Dang, this is nice.
Mine's so much better than his.
Yeah, his looks really nice though. That's a heck of an Altima.
Dude, my oil pressure is so low right now.
Dropping? Oh my gosh. It was, bro, he just had like 5 pounds of oil pressure.
Just got to rev a couple times.
We'll put a little bit of that driven in there.
Yeah.
Oh! It sounds good. All right, good clean leave here, boys.
Hang on. Stalled out.
Stalled out again, this guy.
This race is gonna be so fun, dude. I cannot wait.
Dude, ours had the Brapple tune in it, did you hear it?
Yeah, it might just be the low oil pressure. Bug.
You thought you had a good
I
plan,
turned
huh?
traction control on that one, and she died out on me when I shifted the second. He's done, dude.
Guys, get out of here.
He's done.
He thought he had it all figured out.
Get her tuned up, bud.
The drag strip and the round rounds 2 separate places, bud.
Yeah, but when you can't
Man,
catch
it
him
feels
on the
like we
front
have the
straight.
same power because when we're together, it's the same, but you just can't shift to save your life, and then I just go.
My traction control kicked in.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Maybe next time you guys ask real racers instead of Google horsepower numbers.
We'll be there. Just bring it on,
That was easy.
Yeah, do the slide step.
Freaking torque, dude.
Scared Did you hurt it?
No, I'm not
You gotta
scared.
do the.
You want me to clutch jump it right now?
I mean,
Clutch
2
down.
feet at a time, dude.
First gear, 20 mile an hour.
2 feet at a time.
Like this, both feet.
Now,
But only
this is-
one comes up.
This is the trick. You get the dust right here, like at the corner, you know?
Dang!
Shoot! Golly!
I freaking love Altimas!
Watch the 3-4 is the fast one.
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, oil pressure came back after that. How are the brakes? Give them a good test up here.
Pretty rusty.
Brake test in 3, 2, 1. Damn! That baby's
They
hit.
are good.
Factory brake.
That baby's hit.
There it is.
Dang!
Nice.
Cornering, dude.
Gets and gets.
All right, so just because we're getting off the Altima subject, how can people enter in their Altima if they want to race on February 22nd?
Thefoat.com.
Okay, which those links are in the description.
Yep.
But their Altima has to be stock, bone stock.
That's correct.
Don't modify your car. Please do not come on coilovers. Please don't make this hard. This Altima race is supposed to be a lot of fun, and we're allowing stock cars with factory safety equipment. It's an enduro. How many laps? 60?
60, yep.
And we're allowing 60 Altimas. Is that the goal?
No, we're allowing as many as we can get.
Oh. So
Yeah.
get an Altima and get signed up, folks.
Yep.
And the same night is the Danger Ranger, which if you want to enter Danger Ranger, you should get on there and just look at the rules for that, because there is a rule set for the Ranger.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you talk about the February 15th deal?
All right, so February 15th, we have the UARA Sportsman, also the FF Series race. So we have Sportsman's coming out. We have your Crown Vics, and we have Pure Stocks. So that's a Ricky Brooks race.
Okay.
We're going to do a few of those this year with him, like we always do. But this
Which
is
are
your
great races.
Yeah, this is your real circle track racing right
And
here.
if you have a Crown Vic, you can come race at that.
Yep, for sure.
So then Saturday, February 22nd is the next event. That's Danger Ranger 9000, presented by PDS Debt, Pro Trucks, Rangers, Altima 600 Enduro.
Yep.
And then the next event after that is the Tour of Destruction. Friday and Saturday, March 7th and 8th, which is hands down one of the best events we do. If you want to drive in it or spectate, it's the best of both. School buses, stunts, demolition derby, jet car burn down, boat trailer race, Florida Man Enduro, flagpole race, push race, reverse race, 1v1 burnout battles. So
And that's just Friday.
that's this Friday.
That's the
Chain
Friday
race
schedule.
Saturday. Side-by-side race Saturday. There's so many cool things about that race. So the links for all of these events are in the description below. Whether you want to race yourself in an Altima or a Ranger or a Crown Vic or anything for Tour of Destruction, or if you want to watch online, you know the deal, Freedom Plus.
Yep. Something for everybody at that race. Next up, Freedom 500.
Oh,
Big dog. So, and your
I
birthday.
didn't scroll
And your
down.
there's a list. bro.
holy smokes. So yeah, last year the Freedom 500 was my birthday. Now, this year, the Freedom 500 is Friday. Saturday is my birthday,
Yep.
the 5th.
Burn
So-
rivals.
Oh, the VIP is almost sold out for Friday. Crown Vics. Oh, we have Ben, the RC helicopter pilot, coming. That's cool. Van Pre, obviously. Fireworks, obviously. Burnouts, and is there a stunt?
We're talking to somebody about a stunt.
Okay.
So you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. So that weekend, Freedom 500, Burnout Rivals, presented by Summit Racing. That's probably going to be the biggest Freedom Factory event of the year. So check that out. And then right after that, a month later, May 2nd and 3rd, we have the Indy 800 presented by Heatwave Visuals. So we'll be taking all the Crown Vics, the Van Pre, the monster trucks for the first time in Indy, fireworks, top alcohol dragsters, and the streetcar shootout up to Indy. And then the New England 900. And all these tickets are live.
All of them are live right now, yep.
So then the New England 900 is Friday and Saturday, July 18th and 19th, presented by Bolts and Nuts. How cool is that? So the traveling show tickets are live. The Freedom 500 tickets are live. Altima race through Tour Destruction. It's all live.
Yep.
And
Driving experiences are all live through June.
Okay.
We still have some space there. We have cars and coffee dates that are listed.
Yeah.
So everything is set basically through summertime.
This is your sign to get online and buy tickets, because what happens is they sell out and then everyone gets mad at Josh and I. And the emails are brutal, the comments are brutal. But we tell you guys months ahead of time to get your tickets. So grab your tickets now. They've all been turned live and it's game time.
Don't miss it.
It's gonna be good.
We're taking 4 monster trucks up to Stafford this year.
Oh really?
Yep. So monster trucks there for the first time. It's gonna be
And it is.
awesome.
Very cool.
Yep.
All right, guys. Thank you. Hope you like my Altima. Talk to you later.